Good evening, everyone. How are you doing? How is weather there? We have very nice weather here, but just a little bit drizzly. I think that's fine. So let's start. Let's start with some updates from my shop. You must remember the hummingbird frame, hummingbird cars that I showed you, right? So yesterday I shipped that hummingbird frame, two hummingbird cards, again four flower cards, and one mandala frame. So, and yeah, that's it. And I made two more frames. Are you fan of Friends serial? I'm a very big fan of that Friends serial. Hi Preeti, how are you? So one of friend and my daughter suggested me to make logo of Friends. So today in the afternoon, I made this Friends logo. The letters are a little bit small, and I just used the eye shapes to make these letters, eye shape and tight coils. So I made this frame. It's the size of this one is 8 by 10 inches. And I also made one heart. So this is heart. I use white and shades of blue. So this is in 5 by 7. So size of this one is 5 by 7 inches. Actually, I wanted to make like a seashore theme, but then my daughters and husband suggested me that it will not look good in the heart. So I just did this kind of waves in the heart. But what do you think? Should I add sun or some shape in this heart? Let me know. What do you think? So this heart and Friends logo. Thank you, Preeti. I'm doing good. Now, I was thinking what to show you today. So some of my followers and my daughter suggested me to show you how to make Among Us characters. Do you know what is Among Us? It's actually a game. It's very popular nowadays. My kids love that game. My kids, their friends, everyone love that game. So I made some Among Us characters. Let me show you. So the characters are with different colors, and it has some hats. So this one has leaf hat. This one, this yellow Among Us character has devil hat. This Among Us character has flower hat. This one has pumpkin hat. And this one has party hat. This one is toilet roll hat. So it has different types of hats, different accessories, a lot of different things, and the characters are with different colors. So I will show you how to make this character. Oh, Preeti, your daughters also love this game. Yeah, almost a lot of young kids love this game. Not just kids, adults also love this game. So let me add my other camera so that I can show you how to do this. So for this Among Us, I am going to first glue 10 strips together, and I will make big strip. So I am using A4 size strips. If you are using big strips, you can use 5 strips. But I am using 11-inch wide strips. Oh, sorry, length of my strips is 11-inch. So I am using 10 strips. So I glue 10 strips together. Now let's make big tight coil with these 10 strips. So you can choose any color that you want. So I use this orange color. Just roll these strips and use your fingers to give support, because this one will be little bit big tight coil. And now remove it, and now glue it. Glue the end. Hold it for few seconds. Now what you can do, keep this on the table and take your slotted tool and roll it so that the top will become little bit smooth. Now you have to make total 6 number of these tight coils. So, and you have to glue five tight coils on top of each other like this. So I glued 5 tight coils on top of each other. Now with last tight coil, we have to make dome shape. You can make that dome shape with your fingers, or you can get this kind of this kind of what do you call? I forgot the name. I will let you know after some time. Then it has dome shapes. So you can put this tight coil on any dome and just press it. So you will get dome shape. Like this, you can just so this is tight coil. Just put tight coil on any size of dome and just press it like this. And again, you can use slotted tool to make the top little bit smooth. Now take this stack of tight coil and put glue on edges. Oh, I forgot to tell you one thing. Now take this dome shape and put some glue in this dome. Use brush and spread glue all over the dome so that that coil will stay like dome shape. Otherwise, if you press it little bit, it will become flat. So just put glue and then you can glue this on top of this stack. Let this dry. Now I will show you how to make square and triangle shape that we are going to use here. So take one loose coil. Now find the glued part and move center opposite to the glue part and make teardrop. Just pinch it and make teardrop. And now then press this finger and open the edges. So you have triangle. Let me show you again. Take one loose coil, find the glue part and move center opposite the glue part and pinch it at the glue part. And then press curved part with finger and open the edges. So you have triangle shape. And I will show you how to make square. So take loose coil, find the glue part and pinch on both sides. So this is eye shape, and then so this is corner, right? So hold corner like this and pinch on one side. Again turn it and then you have to pinch on other side. So you have rectangle. I will show you again. First we have to make eye shape, pinch like this on both sides. Now this is corner, so hold corner like this and then pinch it. So we are making short side. So you have to pinch it little bit so that it will become short side. Turn it and then pinch it. So you have rectangle. So for back side of Among Us character, we have to glue 4 strips together and make a rectangle. And yeah, for you need a rectangle and we have to make eye shape. So for that eye shape, I took one white strip, 2 blue strips and 1 black strip, and I made rectangle. But for this one, I used 2 mm white strips so that eye or glasses will will look nice. So this is eye, and we have to make legs. For leg, I took 2 strips, 5, but and this one is 7 mm wide strips. If you don't have 7 mm strips, what you can do? Take 2 strips, make tight coil, and again take 2 strips and make tight coil, and then you can stack them on each other. So for one leg, you can use 2 tight coils, other leg 2 tight coils. If you don't have 7 mm strips, then you can do like that. Now, so this is the stack part, right? Now you can see, you will see bumps here, right? So what you can do to avoid this bump, just measure the height of this stack and cut same color paper with that height. And we are going to wrap this around so that the finishing will look smooth like this. So put glue and wrap it. You can wrap one time. If your paper is very thin, you can wrap it couple of times. And then cut excess paper. Like this. Now you can see it's looking smooth. Now let's attach back side. So you can see this is the glue part, right? You can see the line here. So what we can do, put glue there and take square part and glue it there. And now let's glue legs on bottom part. Like this. Now let's, oops, let it dry completely, otherwise all the parts will fall apart like this. And you can put glue here and glue the eye. Okay, let me glue these legs again. And for this Among Us character, today we are going to do cat ear hat. So for that cat ear hat, we have to make triangle shape with black strip. Okay, let this get dry. So you have to make small triangle shape. I showed you, right, how to make triangle shape. So for this one also I used 2 mm wide paper strips, and I used 1 strip, and I made small triangles here. Now take this and you can put glue on top. You can see here I didn't allow this to dry. My finger went here, so the dome shape become little bit flat. So let all things dry completely and then glue it. And now you can glue these cat ears. Nice. Let this dry completely. So this is Among Us character with cat ears. So you can, like this, you can make different color characters with different hats. My girls love to play with these characters. They will just play pretend game. So you can also do these kind of characters too, so that your kids can play pretend games with this. So I hope you like uh, today's Among Us characters, and please let me know what you want to learn so that I can teach you that in next live. So for so let's take a break, okay, and see you next Thursday at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. Till then, bye. Good night.